Elite second time! Elite.
Arcade and guys.
Yeah. Hey, what's up?
You guys want to do some photos?
Yeah, we should. We're together. We might
take
as well.
Take some cool photos. Where's Kenny at?
He's right here.
He's over here.
I'm here. Yeah. Why wouldn't I be? Let's do it.
Guys, you ready to take some shots? Yeah. Some still frames?
Let's do it. Yeah.
I didn't dress up for nothing.
Is it going to show a replay?
Is it a smiling one?
I don't know.
I just lipstick.
What? All right, guys, let's think of this one. What do we do?
Too sweet?
Too sweet. Where'd it go? Oh, let's do the stupid fry. Let's do it, whatever.
I'm so hot.
Holy crap.
What? That might be the best one. That might be.
That's it.
Different types of masturbation type topics later on.
We're filming something for New Japan World. A little Q&A, if you will.
The weirdest part is,
Oh, that guy just.
You missed that.
oh no, I wish I got that.
He just told us. Never mind. Yeah.
No,
We're just eating dinner. It looks like it's just the three of us, but then there's an entire camera
Yeah, we
crew.
got the whole crew here. We're just spitballing some various topics in New Japan Pro Wrestling, stuff we actually talk about on a daily basis. I think.
Yeah, all these people are getting a little taste of our personalities.
This is gonna be good once it comes out. I'm
I
excited.
think so. Yeah.
That's
They
pretty much
edited
it.
out a lot
Right?
of profanity
Yeah,
and some very mature subject matter.
but you know what?
But
At the end
the
of
rest
this,
of it
at the end of this day, they've learned a lot about this business that we love.
Cool.
Making money at all times.
What we do,
Making money, making problems.
and it's not a day off. You know what I mean?
No, never
We got
is.
a pay-per-view tonight.
There is no day off.
There it is.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. That's probably good, Adam. Okay.
We're here in Kobe,
I still gotta get my face out.
getting ready for the pay-per-view. Fans are ready. They're excited. Throw up a too sweet for me. There we go. All right. You ready to rock, Kenny?
Yeah, I think so.
Adam?
Ready to go?
All right, Matt? Somewhere over there. Last day of the tour, Matt.
Yep.
Big show in Kobe.
This place is gonna be sold out.
Yep. Sold out and ready to rock. You guys ready to get home? Adam's not ready yet.
I'm really not. I'm having a great time. I'm the dork of the group.
But Kenny is, right, Kenny?
I was born ready to go home.
Champion, that's like a record or something. 5 times in 3 years. We're not no job boys. We're not no juniors. This is the worst booking decision ever.
Can I say something?
Yeah, Adam.
Can I say something?
Yeah, please.
The Young Bucks, the best tag team in the world, and the fact that we have to constantly repeat this makes me sick. If it's not apparent for every single wrestling organization they work for, they are the stars. The same can be said for Kenny Omega, and damn sure the same can be said for Adam Cole. What, tonight one little loss, like that's gonna hurt us. Do you know who we are? We are once in a lifetime. We are special, and anything we want, we get, I promise you that.
And we are the Dream Team. The elite, the elite, the elite, the elite,
Baby!
the elite, the elite,
Baby!
the elite, the elite,
Baby! I like that. That's a new song. Thanks, bud.
Taco, asshole.
Break it down!
Taco, asshole. Taco, asshole.